Hey everybody, it's Jerry. Y'all, I have here a bowl of water with a lighter soaking in it and a ferro rod soaking in it. What are you doing with a bowl of water soaking that shit, Jerry? Well, I don't know how many times I get asked why don't I use a lighter instead of a ferro rod. Of course, I could carry a lighter around, take it out of my pocket, strike me up a fire real good and easy. But I can do the same thing with a ferro rod. With a lighter, if it gets wet, it's not going to work. If it gets extremely cold, it's not going to work. If it runs out of fluid, it's not going to work. If it breaks, it's not going to work. With a ferro rod, if it gets wet, it's still going to work. If it breaks, which is probably not going to happen, but if it did break, you still have part of it to use to strike a fire. If it gets cold, it's going to still work, and so on and so on. I'm getting ready to show you that right now. I don't know how many times I get asked about that. Why don't you just use a damn ferro rod or a lighter, Jerry? Here's a piece of fat wood. It's been raining. It rained all night. It's getting ready to start raining again. Lower you down here so you can see what I'm doing. Make a few tiny little shavings. I don't want to have a good fire. All right. Let's try out the lighter. Nothing. No fire. All right. Let's try out the ferro rod. Yep, we got fire. Let's try this out. Well, let's try out the lighter first. Nothing. No fire. And there we go. We got fire. That is why I would much rather use a ferro rod than a lighter. That's about the only reasons. A ferro rod throws out, I think it's between 4,000 and 5,000 degree sparks. And it's a lot funner to use a ferro rod than it is a lighter. Just to show you the lighter actually worked. Should have showed it at the beginning, but I didn't. Yep, that's the reason. That's the reason old Jerry rather use a ferro rod than a lighter. I use a ferro rod for just about everything. Actually, I do, I think, use it for all my fire making. I can't think of not one single thing that I use a lighter for. Well, except for maybe candles, if the electricity goes out. Electricity. Well, my fire went out. I was going to make a little bit bigger one, but apparently I'm not. Well, y'all, this is my fired up Friday. And I'm out of here.